Euro against US dollar this week has rise in value, and we can see how this has behaved. The price started at this support level around 1.06736. The price was jumping up and down, and finally in the last 3 days, 3 bullish candles has formed on the market, and the price continued to rise in value. The final one on the Friday has reached 1.07825 resistance level, and it has gone all the way up and then retraced back down, closing the price below this resistance level. Weekly time frame has closed as a bullish candle. We can see that it is a continuation of the previous 2 weeks, which were also bullish ones, and the price could not make a breakout to the upper side above 1.07825. On the monthly time frame, we can see that this is the monthly candle that has closed. The previous one was a bearish candle that has gone below 1.07825, which is a bearish breakout to the downside. Now, this is indication for the further decline down unless we see this monthly candle going above, which will cancel this bearish candle breakout, and it will be indication of the further rise in the opposite direction, which means on the upper side. A very important level, so we can see what could the price reach, is this one here, which is 1.056. This is the first support level, and also near around that one, and also below that it is around 1.048. These are the next target based on this bearish breakout, but we will see what happens on the small time frames, and that is on the weekly time frame that could not make a breakout to the upper side this week. This could be also potentially a continuation of this downtrend here, which we can see it here much more closely on the daily time frame. And very important level is this one here, which could not be broken this week on the weekly time frame. So this could also be a confirmation of the previous support now acting as a resistance that could push the price down. Now, daily time frame shows us this, and that is that currently the price has reached this resistance level and it has been pushed down on the Friday. But Friday is also some kind of volatile day where we can see traders going outside of their trades, and then we need to see on a Monday how the price behaves, how the price will close the day on the Monday, which usually means in the direction for the rest of the week. So we'll see what happens around this area. Will the price manage to make a break to the upper side, or it will go to the downside? But for now, as it looks based on the technical analysis, I am expecting the price to go down on the monthly time frame and also visible on the weekly, unless we can see making a breakout on the daily and continuing above 1.08846, which will be a very important level and resistance level for the price. So if there is any changes on the market on the EURUSD, I will share that with the traders inside the Telegram group on the daily basis. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.